Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Navigating the world of business credit can be daunting. Understanding your business credit score is essential for securing financing, negotiating favorable terms with suppliers, and even attracting potential investors. But where do you start? This video will delve into the intricacies of business credit scores, exploring what they are, why they matter, and how you can build and maintain a strong credit profile for your company. Similar to personal credit scores, business credit scores provide a numerical representation of your company's creditworthiness. They range from 0 to 100, with higher scores indicating a lower risk to lenders and suppliers. A strong business credit score can unlock numerous opportunities, including access to better loan rates and terms, increased credit limits, and more favorable insurance premiums. Several key factors contribute to your business credit score calculation. Payment history is crucial, as consistently paying invoices on time demonstrates financial responsibility. Credit utilization, or the amount of available credit your business is using, also plays a significant role. Maintaining a low credit utilization ratio shows lenders that you manage your finances effectively. The length of your company's credit history, the types of credit accounts you hold, and any public records, such as bankruptcies or liens, also factor into the equation. Building and maintaining a healthy business credit score requires proactive effort. One of the first steps is to establish your business as a separate legal entity from your personal finances. This involves incorporating your business and obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Next, open business bank accounts and credit accounts in your company's name. When applying for credit, provide accurate and complete information. Regularly monitoring your business credit reports from the major business credit bureaus, such as Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, is vital for identifying and addressing any errors or discrepancies. Additionally, paying invoices promptly and keeping your credit utilization low are essential for establishing a positive credit history. By understanding the factors that influence business credit scores and taking proactive steps to manage your company's credit profile, you can position your business for financial success. A strong business credit score can open doors to numerous opportunities, allowing you to secure financing, build strong relationships with suppliers, and ultimately achieve your business goals. So, take control of your business credit and pave the way for a brighter financial future.